Hello and welcome. It's Faye from Unravel and Unwind, and today we are unpackaging another one of the Christmas presents that I bought from MadeMe.co.uk. Obviously, I haven't been able to share these videos before Christmas, otherwise my family would have known what they were getting. So I actually can't remember what's in this envelope, so let's take a look. Yes, okay, so we went a bit mad on these. I think I've just shown my address. Went a bit mad on these. These are 3 sets of leather key rings in lovely organza bags. They're all the same. They're just nice leather key rings. 2 handmade, 2 of them on ring hoops, 1 on a lobster clasp. Each set is exactly the same. We thought they might be bigger than these, but as you can see, they're quite diddy, and we bought 1 each for each of the lads in the family. So we have bought them something extra which wasn't from MadeMe.co.uk. So these are leather weave key rings from Argyle Crafting. I'll put the price and everything in the description below. So thank you very much, Argyle Crafting. Thank you for joining us on this series of Christmas present unboxings. If you have enjoyed the videos, please give them a like. If you want to see more of our content, subscribe to our channel, click the bell for notifications so that you know when we upload new videos. And if you would like some other content, join us on patreon.com for patterns, workshops, craft and chats, and our new video series that's coming up, which are video patterns and chat shows with crochet designers with varying topics that we will talk about each month. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.